how to turn on or turn off auto sign-in for Google Password Manager on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on more privacy settings. Now in here, scroll down and tap on autofill service from Google. Next, we go down, then tap on Google Password Manager. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then tap on auto sign in. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here it said automatically sign into websites and apps using stored credentials. If disabled, you will be asked for confirmation every time before signing in. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.